information that was relevant to the public. That's a terrible thing that happened. That's election interference.
Hello everyone, and welcome to Universal Narratives, the channel dedicated to unveiling the mysteries of the cosmos. Today we delve into the shadowy realm of space exploration, where a haunting secret has been hidden in the darkest corners of history. Join us on this thrilling journey as we uncover a story that has been hidden for far too long. As we delve further into the past, we encounter a visionary pioneer who needs no introduction, Elon Musk, the founder of SpaceX. In a bold and unprecedented expedition, Musk embarks on a mission to reveal a truth that has been buried beneath the pages of time. While the world marveled at Yuri Gagarin's triumphant orbit, an unspeakable horror lurked in the background. 3 forgotten Soviet cosmonauts, erased from the pages of history, become the center of this unsolved mystery. Were their deaths the result of a sinister act of sabotage, or did they encounter something extraterrestrial during their ill-fated journey into space? But our story is not limited to the haunting secrets of the past. It extends to a broader and more fascinating landscape that embraces the exciting rivalry between Elon Musk and Dmitry Rogozin. These two captivating figures embody the essence of two distinct but deeply interconnected space worlds. On one hand, there is Elon Musk, the bold innovator behind SpaceX, a company that has revolutionized the aerospace industry with its visionary approach and determination to make space exploration accessible and sustainable. On the other hand, there is Dmitry Rogozin, the face of Roscosmos, the Russian space agency, who embodies Russia's long legacy of excellence in space exploration and the determination to keep Russia relevant in the global space landscape. The rivalry between Musk and Rogozin goes beyond mere corporate competition. It represents the intersection of ideologies, national goals, and visions of the future of space. These two personalities have challenged each other, pushing the boundaries of innovation and pushing humanity further into the universe. However, behind the exchanges of jokes on social media, there is a deep tension, reflecting the ongoing geopolitical dynamics between the United States and Russia. The space industry has always been a map of geopolitical games, with every launch and every mission reflecting the potential and capability of the nations involved. The rivalry between SpaceX and Roscosmos is just a modern reflection of a struggle that has deep roots in the Cold War, when the space race became a symbol of technological and ideological supremacy. Today, as we witness rocket launches and missions to Mars, we cannot help but see the shadow of that historic competition that continues to influence the strategic choices of nations and the future direction of space exploration. So, as we immerse ourselves in the haunting mysteries and courageous challenges of space exploration, we cannot ignore the broader context in which these stories unfold. The rivalry between Musk and Rogozin represents a fascinating chapter in the history of space that goes beyond individual companies and individuals. It reminds us that every step we take into space is influenced by a complex network of political, economic, and technological factors. Ultimately, this rivalry reflects the human passion for exploration, discovery, and the challenge of boundaries, which continues to drive humanity towards new celestial frontiers. And yet, amidst the rivalry, there have been moments of cooperation and even camaraderie. These two extraordinary figures, Musk and Rogozin, are leaders in their respective space industries, shaping the future of space exploration. Their dynamic rivalry is a microcosm of the broader historic competition that has involved Russia and the United States in the field of space exploration. The roots of this rivalry date back to the era of the Cold War, sparked by the epical launch of the Soviet Union's Sputnik, the world's first artificial satellite. This event left the United States in a state of alarm, fueling the race for technological supremacy. The establishment of NASA, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, marked the United States' response to this challenge. The space race unfolded through a series of triumphs and tragedies, culminating in the historic landing of Apollo 11. As we further explore, we come across the story of the ill-fated Soyuz 11 mission. The bold crew, composed of Georgy Dobrovolsky, Vladislav Volkov, and Viktor Potzayev embarked on a journey to the world's first space station, the Salyut 1. Their courageous efforts and contributions to science left an indelible imprint on the world of space exploration. Tragedy struck when a fire broke out on board the space station, forcing the crew to fight for their survival in a race against time and the unforgiving circumstances of space. As flames crackled in the claustrophobic environment of the spacecraft, the astronauts faced the horrific reality of the space emergency. Their response to this deadly peril was extraordinary. Armed with courage and determination, they worked together to tame the fire and preserve their lives, demonstrating exceptional calm and resilience in circumstances that no one should have to face. Despite their heroic efforts, the crew's lives were tragically cut short during re-entry to Earth due to a critical spacecraft problem. This painful truth hits even harder when considering that the hope of a safe return seemed close. During those harrowing moments when the spacecraft approached Earth, the crew had every reason to believe that their struggle was over and that they could be reunited with their loved ones. However, an insidious mechanical or technical problem rendered their efforts and hopes futile, sealing a tragic end to a mission that had already faced so many challenges. The sacrifice of these courageous cosmonauts, Georgy Dobrovolsky, Vladislav Volkov, and Viktor Potzayev, had a profound and lasting impact on the field of space exploration. Their tragic experience spurred important changes in safety and technological advancements in the aerospace industry. The circumstances of their loss triggered a complete review of safety protocols and emergency systems in future space missions, in order to minimize the risk of similar tragedies. Their sacrifices also served as a warning, drawing attention to how crucial it is to ensure a balance between the ambition to explore the unknown and the priority of crew member safety. In addition to driving practical changes, their sacrifice inspired a greater awareness of the enormous commitment and courage required to challenge the boundaries of our planet and beyond. Their memory has been honored with monuments, awards, and research aimed at further improving safety in space. In the Great Book of Human Exploration, the pages dedicated to Dobrovolsky, Volkov, and Potzayev are often read with a mixture of sadness and gratitude, as their sacrifice contributed to making the path to the stars safer for those who follow in their brave footsteps. The legacy of Soyuz 11 persists, reminding us of the inherent risks and challenges in the pursuit of humanity amongst the stars. The sad loss of Dobrovolsky, Volkov, and Potzayev reminds us of the courage required to push the boundaries of exploration. Their memory lives on in the advancements, redesigns, and memorials that have emerged from their story. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through history and beyond. If you found this narration engaging, be sure to subscribe to our channel and give it a thumbs up. Your support is crucial to us, and we look forward to bringing you further exciting narrations that embrace the cosmos. Join today our growing community and be part of this adventure.